Hi, I'm Jason from All Things Containers, and today we're going to talk about the safety bar. It helps open and close shipping container doors. I'm a licensed distributor of it here in Australia. It's an American-made tool, and it's very good. So as we get in our twilight years and it's a little harder to open and close shipping container doors, especially the ones that are bent, this is a big help, and I'll show you now how it works. Slide it on there, helps pop the door, and here, lean on it, gives you great leverage rather than using your own shoulders and back. And closing, same again. The right hand door closes in the left hand rod. We do that. Thank you for your time.